All right, check this out. This clip looks pretty normal, a bit blurry with some noise here and there. But after processing it with this AI tool, the difference is actually noticeable. Sharper details, a cleaner image, and even smoother playback. And the tool I'm using here is Aiarty Video Enhancer, which uses AI to upscale, denoise, and improve the overall quality of your videos up to 4K resolution, using specialized AI models for better visual quality while keeping good speeds. It can clean up noise, restore details, smooth out videos, and also offers color correction with precise control so you can fine-tune the overall look. And it works across different hardware including NVIDIA, AMD, and Apple Silicon with proper GPU acceleration. And if you have any old low-resolution videos, you can easily remaster and upscale them using this tool by adding more detail to them. And it comes with 3 distinct AI models, which I'll be showing throughout the process. So yeah, let's get into it. All right, now to get started, click on Free Trial. Let's also take a look at the tech specs. These are the minimum requirements. You need Windows 10 OS or above. It works on any 64-bit CPU platform. You need at least 8 GB RAM. 16 GB is recommended. So here are the main requirements. It requires DirectML hardware acceleration, at least Intel's 4th Gen HD integrated graphics or above. It only works on GPUs that support DirectX 12 or above. But for better and faster acceleration, NVIDIA GPUs are recommended. And it also works on Apple Mac with both Intel and Apple Silicon chips. All right, so once it's done, the installation process is the same as usual. All right, so we are on the main interface, and it's also compatible with my system's hardware as well. Right, so here we need to add or import videos from the storage. So here I have some video files. Let me show you this one. So as you can see, this is a normal 1080p video. If we check out its info, this video is at 25 frame rate. Well, of course it looks good on a normal 1080p screen, but if you play this same video on 4K displays, it looks kind of blurry. It loses sharpness and detail. So let's drag and drop the video into the tool. All right, so here it's added to the timeline. Also, the color grade here looks a bit greenish. I mean, it still needs to be more enhanced. All right, so here's the actual upscaled preview up to 4K resolution. Here you'll notice the difference. The details look better and clearer compared to the normal 1080p one. Or you can view it in this mode or side by side. Here on the right, we have options to enhance this video. Here the AI is enabled. Here choose the hardware. My RTX is selected. Don't use CPU, it takes several hours to process everything. Well, GPUs are generally faster as they have more shader or CUDA cores for these kinds of tasks. Here choose the AI model. Here we have 3 AI models like More Detail, Smooth HQ, and Super Video HQ. Here I'll choose the Super Video HQ model where it can denoise, add details, improve quality, and also fix low light noise. Still, you can choose the More Detail AI model to focus on more details in the video. Smooth HQ to eliminate flaws in the video. Now here set the upscale value. The resolution is set to 2x. Or you can even set custom resolution based on your preference. Adjust the enhancement strength of the video to a value like 1.0. And here you'll notice the difference. And here we have 2 modes. One is step mode and the turbo mode. Step mode will significantly improve image quality and reduce VRAM usage. And turbo mode is for faster processing, but the quality will slightly trade off. So here let's choose the step mode. Now let's go to edit options. Here you can rotate or flip the video, you can crop the video, and you can manage multiple tracks. I'll leave them to default. Now let's go to color settings, and here you can restore the color of the original video. So let's also edit some things here like the temperature, tint, and other presets. All right, now it looks better. It's more detailed and looks vibrant. Now let's also add frame interpolation, which will make this video smooth. The original video is at 25 FPS. You can increase the frame rate up to 120 FPS, which is actually really cool. But the more you increase it, it will take more time based on the video length. For this, I'll leave it at 2x 50 FPS, which is still fine. Here there's also a slow motion option, which will still make the video smooth, and other features like you can convert a normal video into HDR by using the AI model to make it brighter or better graded based on your preference. This is still an experimental. So we also have audio denoise, where you can use the Denoise AI model for voice filtering and reducing background noise, which makes the audio clearer. And once you are okay with everything, go to export settings. Set the format and the video codec, and export the video. Same. You can set multiple videos in the timeline and export them as a batch. All right, it's processing the super resolution. This will take a couple of minutes to several minutes based on the length of the video, also based on your system's performance. So let me also show you the system usage. So here you can see the RTX GPU usage is above 95%. Like this tool is using the maximum power of the GPU to process the video. Let's fast forward this process, and here you can see the frame interpolation is also processing. And there we go. Our video is ready. Let's take a look. And here is the output. The quality looks really good and more detailed. Amazing, right? You can also see the resolution here at 4K at 50 FPS. And in the same way, if you have any low resolution video, here I imported a 720p video. You can also see its details. It's more blurred and washed out here. Right, so same here, we are using the same settings with Super Video HQ AI model. And here is the output. And finally, let's try frame interpolation, making the video smooth to 120 FPS. So right now, this is a normal video with 25 FPS. So here I don't want any upscale here. 1x is selected at original resolution. Now let's set the frame interpolation to 120 FPS and export. And here's the result. This is actually insane. This tool makes this video even smoother, almost 5 times smoother. Amazing, right? At 1080p and 120 FPS. Well. That's Aiarty Video Enhancer. And yeah, I gotta say, the results are actually pretty solid. Especially if you're dealing with low quality or older videos, you can really see the boost in detail, clarity, and smoothness. And when it comes to pricing, it starts at $79 per year. Plus, there's also a free gift included. So if you want to check it out, links down in the description. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this one, drop a like, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.